Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Every one of us is unique, and each one's journey is different and special. Some are famous and make it big in their life, and others are big fish in small and meaningful lake of their own. आइए मिलते हैं आज के हमारे गेस्ट श्री दिनेश शर्मा जी से, जो इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज बीकानेर के 1987-89 बैच से हैं। अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के 30 में से 26 साल उन्होंने सिरेमिक इंडस्ट्री को पढ़ाने में बिताए हैं। करेंटली वो ओएसएस विट्रिफाइड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में मार्केटिंग डायरेक्टर की पोजीशन पर कार्यरत हैं। इससे पहले ओरेकल ग्रेनिटो में उन्होंने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट की पोजीशन पर कंपनी का बिजनेस खूब बढ़ाया है। काजरिया सिरेमिक्स, स्पार्टेक सिरेमिक्स में भी इनका योगदान उल्लेखनीय रहा। So now, without taking much of your time further, let us listen to what दिनेश जी has to share. इनसे मेरा पहला सवाल है कि आपने जब एमबीए किया तो आईएमएस के बारे में आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा?
Hi Rajan, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hi friends, good evening, good evening. Happy Independence Day, first of all.
Right, sir.
And
thank you.
And to start with, I would like to pay my gratitudes to the IMS faculty, Dr. Alan Mishra, Dr. Tikku, and all other family members, faculty members and staff. It is a great honor to be the first alumni to be picked for this interview with Rajan. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now coming to your point, Rajan, I like the most about IMS. IMS is everything, no? IMS changed my life. It totally, my whole trajectory of my life got changed with IMS. Because in IMS, I came to learning about mannerism, professionalism, and discipline, attitude building, and all these. I mean, all these professional things I got to learn, and the way of life, how to take your life forward. That was the biggest learning from my IMS. So IMS is a treasure. To be cherished. This is something. I have a special regard for IMS, and those were the days which changed my life.
Great. That's good to hear from an alumnus of IMS family. Basically, the blood flows in our vein that belongs to IMS only, because we were taught by IMS about various aspects that have changed our life. मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे, who was your favorite faculty? Incidentally, you talked about Dr. Tikku, Professor Ravi Tikku. He also happens to be sharing his birthday with Independence Day. आज उनका जन्मदिन है। तो मैंने आज सुबह ही उनको 5 बजे विश किया था। अभी तक उनका रिप्लाई नहीं आया फेसबुक पे, बट मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ। वो हमेशा रिप्लाई जरूर करते हैं। चलिए, फैकल्टी की बात करते हुए हम देखते हैं कि आपके फेवरेट फैकल्टीज में से फैकल्टी कौन थे जिनको आज तक चेरिश करते हैं, याद करते हैं?
सबसे पहले तो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू टिक्को सर. ही इज ए ग्रेट लॉयन, एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेट मैन. उनको देखते ही एनर्जी जो है भर जाती थी. बट यस, फैकल्टी तो पूरा फैकल्टी अच्छा था. I mean, see, all were good and fantastic. I mean, they were all talented lot. Especially Dr. Mishra, gem of a person. I never seen such a guy in my life. I never come across again. And I think it was Dr. Mishra who had a special corner, because he had that a typical inclination to nurture the talent, especially from rural areas, and talent which is outside from big cities. So he had that flair. And I think he picked me also for that reason, because otherwise there were many odds against, you know, in selection process. And everybody was fantastic. Especially I remember Rathod sir for apple and oranges. I mean, I still remember the way he used to say apple and oranges. Economics was my favorite subject. And yes, I was more close to Mr. Manoj Singh, Dr. Manoj Singh. I mean, because he was also a new professor those days, and we had a good bonding. So we used to discuss a lot. I mean, we used to chat for hours together at times whenever we find time. So this is how. But every faculty like Mukta ma'am or Aruna ma'am, Amod Bhardwaj sahab, even RPS sir, he also used to come to take lectures. So everybody was so talented and motivating, encouraging. Because IMS was a typical, grooming institute that time.
Right.
That's fantastic. Yeah.
Definitely. That speaks highly about the people who were there to teach us. Great. Moving on from faculty to friends. Who were close friends in your circle? And where are they now? Are there any sweet memories that you share with them? Are you in touch with any of them?
Friends circle is see, IMS, everybody knows Solanki Southern. Even faculty used to know Solanki Southern. I remember one incident, that one time Dr. Tikku also spoke about Solanki. Where are Solankis? Where are they?
Right.
We were 7-8 friends staying together. It was a mini hostel, Solanki Southern. It was a house we hired because that time there was no hostel facility available. And Dr. KK Sharma, I used to share room with him. He was my roommate. Ajay Raina and Rajiv Jain, SP Singh, SD Gupta, Shailesh Mulchandani, Rajiv Joshi. We all stayed together. And Sushil Kathuria. It was a great time. Friends, and even so Solanki Southern, we all had a great time. And KK used to teach me English.
Okay.
Because I was from Hindi medium background, so I had a very tough time to cope up with the situation, and because everything was in So he used to teach me English. Every friend used to help us out. SD Gupta used to teach finance. Like we used to help each other. And Rajiv Joshi, a great guy. He used to entertain us a lot. Because he's a stand-up comedian. Any time he can, in any situation, he can stand up and this thing. Rajneesh Nandra, she's in US nowadays. So that all group, everybody, I think, everybody was.
Are you in touch with any of them?
Yes. All we are in touch with everybody. Siddharth, Ajay Raghuvanshi, everybody. We have our group 87, 89. We have some seniors and we have some juniors also in that group, and we keep chatting every day. We keep,
thanks to I believe social media.
Yes. We keep abreast, and everybody is doing wonderful. Rajiv Joshi is an entrepreneur. He's in Delhi. Ajay Raina is also at a very high position. Rajiv Jain, you must be knowing Rajiv Jain he's with the DS Group, Rajnigandha. He's head marketing there.
Right.
And recently he delivered Zoom meeting with Ahmedabad people.
Okay.
He's a great genius in marketing and advertising. So SP Singh is again an entrepreneur. He's doing his own in Bareilly. SD Gupta with BL. So they are all at good places.
Great. Great to know that. And friendship is something that goes on for life, I believe. Friends are forever.
Friends are forever. I mean, we used to enjoy. We used to have some parties also at Solanki Seven, and even all other people used to come. All our friends used to come and join us. So
Okay.
we had a nice time. Yes.
Great. Great to
And
know about friends.
I remember, Rajneesh, we had a lot of food from our home because if our cook didn't turn up, it used to be Rajneesh's time, and she'll say, "अरे यार भूखे हो क्या साले?" सब के सब, हाँ भाई अच्छा कुक नहीं आया, हाँ चलो ठीक है अभी घर से खाना आता है. And at times even Navdeep used to bring that, tiffins.
Great. Great. Those are really good memories that we cherish for our lives.
Cannot forget.
Yes.
And I especially remember Joshi also because during my struggle time he helped a lot.
Great. Great to know that, sir. Now moving on from friends to seniors. Can you share something about the ragging time?
Our seniors were fantastic. But I remember, we enjoyed. It was fun and flurry. This thing. Singing, dancing, and I know some a few things only. But there was nothing, anything physical or torture kind of a thing. And yes, it was a mental pressure sometimes. Yes, your seniors are coming, ragging, chalo. Only terror was Mr. Rahul Bhatte. So, but Malay Tyagi sir used to be, known to me. So I had that, a strong guy there. So I knew that I will not be punished. So there was nothing kind of any punishment. We used to enjoy, and our seniors were fantastic. They used to support us a lot. Even during presentation and all, they used to be very cooperative.
Mm-hmm.
And I think they are also, we are in touch with a lot of seniors in our group also. They were fantastic.
I believe after ragging time, seniors become very good friends and support.
Yes. They were very supportive and they helped a lot. Yes. So, see, seniors are always, people who takes care of their this thing.
Nowadays, when we hear about ragging, it is something which has gone wrong, I believe, in many of the institutions. That is ragging in some of the institutions that we hear on newspapers or through various media channels. It has gone wrong. But I believe in IMS, we had a culture for ragging also.
Ragging itself, if you say ragging, immediately, a lot of bad things comes to your mind, at times you become terrified. Even we used to be terrified, we used to listen, because seniors used to come one by one, because somebody is coming after 3 days, somebody is coming after 5 days. अरे अभी तो वो आना है तो ऐसे करके वो डराया करते थे हमारे को. हम सोचते अबे यार अभी कौन बच गया. But yes, we enjoyed it.
Any funny anecdote or incident that you remember from that time? Anything exceptional that happened?
फनी तो बहुत कुछ होता रहता था, बहुत कुछ फनी होता रहता था. बट यस, एक इंसिडेंट है, ये इवन मेरे इंटरव्यू का ही है. तो जब मेरा जीडी इंटरव्यू हो रहा था, तो फर्स्ट थिंग जब हम इंटरव्यू देने के लिए आए तो वहां इतनी भीड़ देख करके पहली बात तो हम हिल गए थे. अब मैं सोचा यार ये क्या है, बड़ी मुश्किल से हमारी जात बिरादरी के 2-3 लोग मिले जो कि थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करने वाले मिले. अदरवाइज अच्छा, एक तो वहां बहुत सारी लड़कियां और सारे सब ऑल अपडेट, अप टू डेट. और So it was a very, I mean, typical. So राजीव जोशी और थोड़ा एस डी गुप्ता वगैरह 3-4 ऐसे फ्रेंड्स मिलके जो हम जैसे एक ही बिरादरी के थे, भाई तुझे भी नहीं आती मुझे भी नहीं आती, ठीक है चल.
सही है.
So when and incidentally, like आज इंटरव्यू आप फर्स्ट टाइम आप ले रहे हो, फर्स्ट एलिमिनाई मेरा, वैसा ही सारा हमारा जीडी भी जो है मेरा फर्स्ट था.
अच्छा.
And first GD में we had, I mean, almost 15 people. तो अंदर जीडी रूम में घुसते ही हमारी जान सूख गई थी कि अभी क्या करना कैसे करना, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट मच अवेयर अबाउट दिस थिंग, बिकॉज मैं IMS आया किस कदर था कि शायद फर्स्ट टाइम आई सी अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आई प्रिपेयर फुली एंड देन कम, बिकॉज देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन एंड ऑल दैट. बट बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस जब जीडी हमारा जब फिनिश हुआ और मैंने बड़ी सांस लिए, राहत की सांस ली कि चलो यार जान जान बची, लाखों पाए, तो मेरे साथ में शैलेश मूलचंदानी था. तो वो आकर के मेरे को बोलता है, बड़े प्यार से वो मेरे को पंडित बोलता था, आके बोलता अरे साले तूने क्या बोला कैसे तूने, तुझे मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा था और तू बोल क्या गया है, तेरे को पता है. तो क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ. एंड उसके बाद में फिर मजे क्या आते थे कि हमें इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी हम लोगों को, है ना. तो हमारे आवाज कम निकलती थी, हमारे हाथ पांव ज्यादा हिलते थे, यू नो. तो राजीव जोशी अक्सर बोला करता था, अरे भाई उड़ेगा क्या. बहुत चीजें होती थी, मजा आता था.
ग्रेट ग्रेट, दैट्स रियली समथिंग.
और वो जब इंटरव्यू और ये पर्सनल डिस्कशन वगैरह खत्म होने के बाद में जब हमारी लिस्ट लगी थी, तो हम 2-3-4 लोग ऐसे थे कि जो हमें पता था कि यार हमारा कुछ होना ही नहीं है ना वहां पे, तो हमें जाके लिस्ट देखना ही नहीं है, जब सारी भीड़ छंट जाएगी ना उसके बाद जाएंगे हम. तो सडनली एक थोड़ा सा इंथुजियास्ट था, उसने जाके देखा, उसने कहा अबे दिनेश शर्मा नाम लिखा है. तो मैं बोला पक्का कोई दूसरा दिनेश शर्मा आया होगा, हमारा तो हो नहीं सकता, यू नो. लेकिन जब रोल नंबर देखा तो 25 लोगों की लिस्ट लगा था, उसमें 24th नंबर वाज माइन.
ग्रेट ग्रेट.
So it was a great moment, and you know, and that time when I came to the institute for GTN interview, I was in leather sleepers rather. I was not even, I know. So then I realized कि क्या हो रहा है.
But yes, आज IMS culture teaches you professionalism.
Yes. IMS ने बिल्कुल जो हमारे को एक तरह से जैसे हीरा बनाने वाली बात थी ना, मेरा रबिंग पॉलिशिंग उधर ही हुआ सब.
Great. That's really good to know.
I'm grateful to this institute and faculty and friends कि उन्होंने मुझे इस जो है उस दूसरे मुकाम पे पहुंचाने का, आज जो भी कुछ है, it's all because of that.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Right.
We all owe it to the institute, people who were part of the institute, as well as our friends also, because everyone paved our way for success.
Absolutely.
चलिए फिर वहां से चलते हैं अपन प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में. जब आप एंटर करें तो were there any challenges or struggles in the professional world after completing your MBA?
उसके बाद तो फिर चैलेंजेज है. उसके बाद तो फिर नए चैलेंजेस शुरू हो गए. उसके बाद सबसे पहला चैलेंज तो ये था कि आई मीन यू हैव टू मूव टू ए बिगर प्लेस, टू ए मेट्रो सिटी वेयर यू कैन फाइंड द जॉब. तो सबसे पहला चैलेंज तो ये था कि वहां पे कुछ जगह ढूंढना, यू नो, हाउ टू गो एंड दिस थिंग, एंड देन हाउ टू स्टार्ट. सो दूसरा उसमें था MBA की डिग्री. तो रहने का तो आई मीन आई स्टेड विद राजीव जोशी इन हिज ऑफिस. We had a room accommodation. It used to be, you know, like, and almost 1.5 years we stayed together. And I think it was, and राजीव जोशी के पास बाइक हुआ करती थी, तो उस पर बैठ के हम रात को डिनर करते जाया, you know. तो एक तो वो था सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम. तो राजीव हेल्प मी लॉट दैट वे, क्योंकि दैट टाइम एक जरूरत क्या थी कि एक आपको एक जगह मिलने की, where you can stay and you can look for a job. Then the second point was MBA degree itself, because बीकानेर का MBA डिग्री बताने में जो है आदमी को किसी को समझ नहीं आ पाता था कि ये कहाँ से आपने किया. So it was a, I mean, because that time बीकानेर was not that famous city, and the college इतना famous हुआ नहीं था. So that was also a district. So yes, but then I realized that yes, somewhere I have to join somewhere, and then we will, over a period of time. So दिमाग में ये था कि 1-2 साल का कहीं भी एक बार एक्सपीरियंस लेना जरूरी है.
Right.
So I took that experience, and by God's grace, I got into Spartex Ceramics. And Spartex Ceramics, that time, one of the renowned company in tile industry. And that is where from my career started in, upswing.
Great, great.
And yes, we had our lot of struggle, because peers pressure, peers competition, then market competition, and then there are some other factors, they came into, and at times your ambition also becomes your problem. So there is a struggle inside and outside.
Right.
I take it that way. So both were there. But yes, then I moved to, the next jump was Kajaria. So Kajaria was again a great thing, and I was looking for a change to Kajaria, and somehow I got it by God's grace. So एक मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा achievement था, and it was Kajaria where my professional skills were, polished. That is where I learnt what ceramic industry is all about and how to go about it. And I had a very good personal bonding with Mr. Kajaria, the chairman of Kajaria Ceramic. And he used to, take a special care of me also at times. And I learned a lot of things. I mean, Kajaria Sahab himself is an institution, and in this industry we treat him as a god, like.
Right. It's a good name also.
No, this is industry, everybody respect him in a, not only for as a Kajaria chairman, but as a good human being as well.
Right.
So, and from there, I had some kida. Yes, I got to do something. I want to grow more. So I left Kajaria, and then I joined Oracle, this thing, and we had a brand called Marbito. And for 4 years, I think that brand was became a household name in North India.
Great.
Because there I joined as DGM, and then by the time I left it, I was Vice President, North India and Northeast. Then again had some kida, and I had some idea that I got to do something on my own. Why shouldn't I? And आप जब कुछ करते हो तो कोई ना कोई आपको मिल भी जाता है, आपको थोड़ा जोश दिलाने वाला. And we 3-4 ex-colleagues from Kajaria, we formed a company called Kio Ceramics Private Limited. We formed a company, and we started doing some trading business. We used to get the material manufactured from Gujarat and used to sell in our brand name. Then जहां से हम मटेरियल लेते थे, they offered कि यार किस धंधे में लग गए आप लोग, तो बड़े बड़े लोग हो, इतने बड़े वो हो, why don't you give your money to us, come and become, So then we decided yes, it is a good idea, and then we joined hands with these Gujarat manufacturers, Oasis Vitrified Private Limited. We all, Kajaria Ceramics become the partner in Oasis Vitrified Private Limited.
Great.
And then we had our own times, because that time that was a company of say 50 crore. So therefrom, it was a one plant. Now we have 6 plants and almost turnover of 400 crores.
That's big. That's big.
Yes, but yes, we have our share of success and failure as well,
That is
because
part of life.
uh, we committed some mistakes because uh, when you start achieving something, you suddenly you becomes more ambitious. So that is where we committed some mistakes. So some turbulence, Pluto, everything was there.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you,
Yeah.
but I don't call it a failure. I call it experience because that is an experience that we gain out of doing something wrong. No doubt about it. We learn, and we move higher and better.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes, yes, it was an experience, and there were lot of experience, and because we committed so many things here and there, we thought, yes, we can do this. So, but anyway, that's part and parcel of life.
Yes, definitely. Moving on from these hardships and challenges from professional world over to work-life balance. That is balancing the personal as well as professional life. Did you find any problem in that, or were there any challenges in managing the personal as well as professional life?
Yes, yes. There were lot many because it's obvious because professional and since I had one thing in my mind that yes, I have to work hard to prove myself because there are certain shortcomings I could see in myself, and I had to improve. So that way I used to work more, and I'm workaholic. So yes, personal and professional life balancing was little tough. And even during Ajay time, I used to work on Sundays also. So yes, it was tough. But yes, I'm thankful to my wife, especially because even she left her government job and
Okay,
just to help me, this thing. Because she got government job in Rajasthan, but I was in Delhi, so she said, nothing doing, I'll be with you, and because of her, I need not to go to school for PTMs, all that, and no, she managed all my homely affairs. So I was pretty, free. Even today, CBS, this thing. Even I hardly attended any PTM.
so yeah,
So I mean,
that's great. That's great. As far as what people say success is, do you think you are successful? Are there anything reasons or philosophy which may help us understand about the success that you have generated in your life?
success, yes, success is again. I mean, success is very relative and very subjective term. No, because I may think that yes, I have already attained the success, and but how others perceive is a different perspective. So I think being successful or not, I mean, it's up to your own satisfaction. If you think that yes, you have already attained, now you have become successful, you are successful.
Definitely.
And if you think yes, more things to be achieved, I mean, success is yet to be achieved, you are. And अभी तो बहुत जीना है भाई. I'm yet to live. So I mean, it is very difficult to say that I become successful or not. But yes, looking at the things, I have achieved a lot. I mean, what I have achieved, I never thought of.
Okay, let's talk about your achievements only. Yes, sir.
Yes, achievements. Yes, professional achievements. I mean, I keep on growing. I kept on growing. Every time. I mean, and I was in a very good books every time wherever I work.
That's great.
And but yes, one compliment which I still treasure the most was that in one exhibition, one of our exhibition in thing, one of the most renowned brand in the world is RAK, Rex Ceramics. His MD came to my stall. We didn't know each other. MD, Indian MD. We didn't know each other, but I knew him by name. So somebody said that he's coming. So I said, okay, I mean, I'll meet him. He met me and he just passed. Somebody else told him that, अरे साहब मिलिए ना, ये आप इनके नहीं पहचाने क्या साहब, ये दिनेश शर्मा सर. So when he heard Dinesh Sharma, then he turned back and suddenly he shouted, Dinesh Sharma, ये वही दिनेश शर्मा है मारबीटो वाला. He said, yes sir, yes sir. Oh, दिल्ली वाला, yes sir, same. अरे भाई, अरे यार, अरे दिनेश शर्मा जी आपसे मिलना पड़ेगा यार. मैंने बोला साहब क्या हुआ, कुछ गलती किया, मतलब आपने इतना तेजी से बोला तो कुछ समथिंग रॉन्ग सर, कुछ हुआ है तो मुझे बताओ सर, आई एम सॉरी, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. अरे बोले यार तूने मेरी बात लगा दी है, तूने दिल्ली में जितना मेरे को नॉर्थ इंडिया में तूने तंग किया है, सारी सेरामिक इंडस्ट्री बॉम्बे से चलती है एंड सारा एक तेरा कंपनी है जो दिल्ली से चलता है ना. सो you have taken away my projects, and there were few incidents. I'll not narrate here. अभी personally बताऊंगा आपको कि हमने क्या किया था and why he was so. But that acknowledgement from him.
Yes, it means a lot.
It means a lot because that time even जो बाकी जा रहे स्टॉल में जो बाकी इंडस्ट्री के भी हमारे और लोग, बिकॉज उसके साथ में सारे इंडस्ट्री के जो हमारे स्टॉलबाज थे वो सब खड़े थे, उनके सामने जब उसने मेरे को ये बोला तो बाय दैट टाइम आई जॉइंड ओएसिस, तो बोला अभी तू सारा इधर आ गया, मेरे को डर लग रहा है, like. But that was the biggest accomplishment.
Yeah, that's a big compliment coming from a stalwart himself.
Yes.
So, अपन फैग एंड की तरफ आ रहे हैं. एनी ज्ञान फॉर फेलो IMSians जो आपने अपनी जिंदगी में कारगर किया है?
ज्ञान तो देखो ऐसा है, ज्ञान तो साहब हमारी फैकल्टी बहुत देती है हमारे को इधर में, एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में मेरे ख्याल से मैं जो भी लड़कों अभी हमारे जो ग्रुप में मैंने देखा है, आई थिंक सभी अपने बैचमेट्स और सब अलग, हमारे जूनियर सीनियर सब दे आर एट वेरी गुड पोजीशन, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर एंटरप्रेन्योर आल्सो, एंड दे आर डूइंग गुड इन देयर लाइफ. सो आई डोंट थिंक उनको किसी को ज्ञान देने की जरूरत है. बट यस, आई मीन जो ज्ञान होता है नॉर्मली, सबसे पहला तो मेरे ख्याल से सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. सबसे पहले आदमी को अपने आप में सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि यस आई कैन डू इट. और मेरे ख्याल से किसी भी फील्ड में हो, वन हैज टू हैव अ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, बिकॉज वही आगे बढ़ाता है आदमी को. एंड उसके बाद है करेज, क्योंकि ये मेरे लाइफ का एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि हम जितना डरते थे वो चीजें हमें उतनी तंग करती थी, और मैं थोड़ा सा शुरू में बड़ा डरपोक रहा. तो उसके बाद लेकिन हमने देखा कि जब चीजों को हमने फेस करना शुरू किया और सामने बोल्डली फेस करना शुरू किया, तो चीजें ज्यादा बेटर होती गई. तो यू हैव टू हैव करेज, बिकॉज हार और जीत तो होती रहती है, बट अगर आपका करेज ही नहीं होगा तो आप क्या उसमें करेंगे. एंड देन यू हैव टू हैव नेटवर्किंग. नेटवर्किंग हेल्प्स अ लॉट. इवन मैंने अपनी लाइफ में नेटवर्किंग का बड़ा फायदा देखा है, बिकॉज सब कुछ आप नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू हैव ए नेटवर्क, एंड वो नेटवर्क आपको इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, आपको नॉलेज देता है, आपको एक है, और आपको उस जगह पे बिठाता है जहां बाकी लोगों के साथ आप कनेक्ट होते हैं. So that's the biggest thing. And then yes, last but not the least, मैं बोलूँगा honesty. Whatever you do honestly. Be honest to yourself, you know, and honest रहिए लाइफ में, because that pays a lot. वो पे करेगा ही करेगा आपको. Let's not, don't try to cheat others. Don't try to be over smart, because ये लॉन्ग रन में बड़ी विजिबल होती है और वो नुकसान देती है.
एक बार मैं सबके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से समराइज कर दूं. 4 मंत्रास जो आपने दिए हैं, सबसे पहला सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, फिर करेज अपने आप में, फिर नेटवर्किंग जो कि स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए किसी भी बिजनेसमैन के लिए एज वेल एज वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल के लिए, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट ऑनेस्टी, या जिसको अपन इंटीग्रिटी से रिलेट कर सकते हैं. अपनी पर्सनल इंटीग्रिटी होनी चाहिए. तो ये 4 चीजें, ये 4 मंत्रास मेरे ख्याल से बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत कारगर साबित होंगे. चलिए अपन अंत की तरफ आ गए. एनी अदर थिंग दैट यू वुड विश टू शेयर, जो आपको लगता है कि इस फोरम पे शेयर करना उचित रहेगा, तो प्लीज फील फ्री टू. वैसे तो आपने काफी कुछ बोला है.
I think we already shared a lot of things.
Right.
But yes, जो ओवरऑल लाइफ की जर्नी जो रही, उसमें एक तो IMS MBA का बड़ा रोल रहा मेरी लाइफ में, और उससे भी ज्यादा हमारे फ्रेंड्स का बड़ा रोल रहा. Because I was rather fortunate enough to have such good batchmates, seniors, juniors, सभी हमारे बड़े अच्छे रहे. बट मेरे बैचमेट्स से मेरे को बड़ा सपोर्ट किया. उस वक्त सोलंकी सदन हमारा मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस था मेरा लिए, एक अपने आप को, बिकॉज एक बिल्कुल नए माहौल में, बिकॉज आई वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम ए टोटली एब्सोल्युटली मेरे लिए ये एक तरह से 360 डिग्री चेंज हो गया था. ऑलमोस्ट 360 डिग्री मानो तो 180 डिग्री तो था ही था, लेकिन 360 डिग्री चेंज था बिल्कुल. So I was, like a parachute, it was like a drop. बिल्कुल नई पोजीशन में आ गया था. तो उन लोगों के, वो फ्रेंड सर्किल ने जो मेरे को सपोर्ट दिया उस वक्त, तो उनकी वजह से मैं शेर की तरह चल सकता था और बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर सकता था. तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन था, और इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि एक अच्छा फ्रेंड सर्किल होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड एक अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूशन जरूरी है, और आप अच्छे लोग साथ में होना जरूरी है. कीप ए गुड कोटरी ऑलवेज अराउंड यू, कीप गुड पीपल अराउंड यू, एंड प्रोफेशनली अपने आप को एनरिच करते रहिए. यस, एक सबसे बड़ी बात यह है, प्रोफेशनली एनरिच करते रहिए. और इंडस्ट्री में तो जैसा होता है आप एग्जीबिशंस विजिट करिए, डिफरेंट प्लान्स करिए. जैसे हम इटली, हर साल इटली जाया करते थे. इटली एग्जीबिशंस में खजरिया में हमारा एक रिचुअल था ये हर साल का. लाइक चाइना हम जाया करते थे वहां के. तो वेरेवर हर आदमी अपने इंडस्ट्री में होता है, वो अपने आप को एनरिच करता है ना. एंड यस, बी टेक्नोलॉजी सेवी, कीप योरसेल्फ अपडेटिंग. बाकी तो क्या है, मेरे ख्याल से सब यही है. बट यस, मेरे लिए ये बड़ा ही एक आई एम फॉर्चुनेट एनफ टू हैव ऑल दिस. और लाइफ में जो अचीव किया, इट वॉज ऑल गॉड्स ग्रेस. कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा इतना स्ट्रगल भी नहीं करना पड़ता. कई लोगों को शायद ज्यादा करना पड़ता है सबके साथ एक अलग अलग होता है. मेरे को इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रगल नहीं करना पड़ा. मुझे कोई न कोई यार दोस्त और कोई न कोई साथी सपोर्ट कहीं ना कहीं मिल गया. नॉर्मली हर इंडस्ट्री में गॉड फादर होता है बस, बट हमारे को ऐसी भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. तो मेरे ख्याल से आदमी अगर अच्छी इंटेंशन से रहे तो बहुत कुछ मिल सकता है ना. आप खुद भी कुछ करते रहिए, जैसे आप खुद कुछ कर रहे हैं. योरसेल्फ इज एन एग्जांपल. सो मेरे ख्याल से हो जाता है.
चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया रहा आपसे आज इंटरेक्ट करके. It was really enriching session for me also, because I also got to know various things about various aspects of life that you have seen with your own eyes. And having 30 plus years of experience, that matters a lot. Thank you so very much, sir, for sparing your valuable time and interacting with us and sharing the memories of IMS days, as well as various good lessons that we have got from your corporate life also. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Rajan. And again, my gratitudes to my institute, my faculty members, and my seniors, my batchmates, and juniors. And again, thank to you people, Alumni Association जो आप लोगों ने फॉर्म किया है और एक इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है, and you have given a chance to speak to about everyone. तो अच्छी बात है. And my best wishes to you, best of luck. You have taken such a good. अब आपको अपने एंडेवर में जो है आपको सक्सेस मिले.
Thank you.
कुछ नया प्लेटफॉर्म करो, हम भी आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ लर्न करेंगे, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ गाइस यू आर हैविंग गुड आइडियाज.
So we keep on learning from each other.
Yes.
And this is real independence. Independence वही है जहाँ पे हम स्वतंत्र होके सीख सके, अपने आप को बढ़ा सके और इम्प्रूव कर सके.